In everyone's life, everyone can learn from their anything from their life experiences. Here is what I have learned from past 2 years in my life. So I just want to share those lessons with all of you. So without any late, let's get started. The very first lesson that I have learned is you must have to love yourself more than anyone or anything. Self love is very important. If you have a capacity to love, then first love yourself because you are the one with you can be happy forever. You are the person who deserves more love from you other than parents. This is the only life which you have, so don't waste it for others who doesn't deserve it. Self love never hurts ever because we are meant to born in this world to live happily. Next lesson is using time productively. The only thing which will wait for no one is time. Time is what we go through and not what is going by us. Use time correctly. Using time correctly may help you to become smart and can achieve your goals. Do something that will improve your skill. Do something which you are more passionate about. Do something which makes you smart. Do something which you are interested in. Do something which makes your loved ones proud. Time is the most precious thing in the world. Utilize it correctly, use it productively. Next lesson that I have learned is don't listen to others. See, this is your life, your goals, your ambitions, your decisions, and all yours. So don't listen to others. They just give suggestions. They don't know your situations, what you're facing now, or circumstances you are going to face. Actually, they don't care. You can know what's going on in your life. Definitely, you can make decisions depending upon your situations. Next lesson is be independent in decision making. Don't let anyone to take chance in your life in decision making. It's just disgusting. It is like someone ruling your own life. Of course, we can take decisions from our beloved ones and loved ones. It is not necessary to let people to give suggestions and make decisions in your life. You really don't need sympathy or pity from someone. I think it is really very repulsive. Being independent decreases stress so that we never going to wait for someone in our life. If you don't have anything to do, but if you want to do something, do it by yourself. Don't let others to spoon feed you. There are a lot of resources to learn new things which you are passionate about. It is okay to depend on your parents, but not on everyone. The next lesson is thinking positively. Positive thinking, which helps you to become more happy. Yes, it is true. Thinking positively will definitely cherish you and motivates you to do a new thing. So think positively. Thinking positively also attracts you to the world. Life is not as big to think negatively and then getting back to positivity. So just think positively and be happy. The next and very important lesson that I have learned is choosing people. We really didn't knew about people around your surroundings and people in your life. There will be people who makes fun out of you. They just need some fun stuff for time pass. Some people will judge you in everything. Some people loves you, cares you. Some people will be having manipulating mentality also, and someone will get things done by you. We need to choose people who are correct, who deserves our love and attention. It is very important to choose. We have to minimalize people in our lives because having minimalist people who cares or who loves or who motivates are always better than having people with manipulating mindsets. People with manipulating mentality can definitely create a harm for you. They should be going to dig a big silo behind you. Choosing people wisely helps you a lot. So choose correctly. The last and final lesson is overcoming weaknesses. Don't show your weaknesses to the world because there is no use of it. In fact, it will make you more weak to the outside world. Otherwise, make your weakness as your strength so that you can deal with all your emotions. This makes you to do better in your career and also in your lives. The best remedy to overcome your weakness is meditation. This helps a lot. So, yeah, these are the lessons that I have learned from past 2 years of my life. I hope this will be helpful for you. For more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you are also following my Instagram account Nidhi here. If you have any interest in photography, you can also follow my another Instagram account Nidhi D01. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all next video. Thanks for watching.